Starting with the best way to grow pepper. The best way you can grow pepper varies from country to country. This is due to the difference in weather and climate. People who live in the polar countries or countries that experience snow at some point, you can plant your pepper bed indoor and set the pepper plant seedling out after the last spring frost. They grow well in the raised beds, containers, and in-ground gardens. When you are in the tropical country, like most African countries, you can start with a nursery bed outdoor for 45 days and later transplant to the main garden. It's important for you to spray and fertilize your pepper while it is still in the bed. When you spray while pepper is still in the bed, it can minimize the attacks the pepper can face when you transplant it to the main garden. If the season is too dry, spray plain water regularly. For those of you in the tropical countries, when the season is too dry, spray plain water regularly. If it's too rainy, you do not need to spray water, but also make sure that you are not planting in a swampy place. Else, your garden will drain during the rainy season.